Hi, I'm Vishal Beraya from Bandhan Mutual Fund. I'm here to talk about the Bandhan Infrastructure Fund that I manage. This fund focuses on investing in companies that will benefit from the development of the infrastructure space in India. The Infra Fund would focus on sectors like water, electricity, defense, roads, railways, irrigation, manufacturing, housing, and the likes. In India, we lack good quality infrastructure, and there is tremendous scope for the country to improve on the same. This is a fund that will look to capture opportunities that emanate out of the infrastructure space, be it the developers, be it the contractors, be it the manufacturing companies, or the financiers. This is a fund which will have higher involvement of the government, since the government is the one which will give orders for development of infra, and consequently there will be some volatility and lumpiness in order inflows and execution, which is a matter of concern but also creates opportunities for investors to enter the sector. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.